So today we're gonna be working on creating the mushroom base. This is a recreation of one base that I've done with clay that was problematic somehow. It was a black clay that after the glaze firing all the pieces exploded and cracked, and I have some people reaching out to me and saying that they had experienced the same thing, so I don't think I'm gonna be using that clay for a long time. So I decided to recreate this base with red clay, which is not the same thing at all, but I know this clay and it did not have any kind of complication throughout those years I'm using it, so I'm gonna stick to that. I think I'm gonna be just focusing on sculpting the face and showing all the details of making the mushrooms. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. We'll see each other at the end of the video, and well, have fun. I just arrived home. I wanted to record the loading of this Bisque firing, the one from the BOMO elves, but I completely forgot on Friday to bring my SD card, so I couldn't record the material. Oh well, we are gonna be unloading the Bisque firing. And let's hope that all pieces made it, because yes, it's the first time I'm working with these ears, so yeah, you never know. Let's go for it. The first two layers are from my students. I'm doing some building workshops and I'll have some pieces that I needed to fire. Let's go, let's start the day. It's Monday, I'm really tired. It's gonna be a really busy week. I'm trying to take things slower, go step by step, otherwise I tend to overthink and overwhelm because of all the things I have on my to-do list. But yeah, let's start with the first one on the list, which is unloading the Bisque firing. And then we're gonna most probably pack some of your orders, and I'm gonna be hand building one of the bases that they still have to hand build, that is for cotton in a plastic bag. Let's do it.
us a little bit tipsy, baby, yeah, I just know. Baby, I just know. And I know that you had me on your mind with the look on your face, turn a little bit frisky, baby, I just know. I just know. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing.
I got my toes in the sand, I got my hands in your hair. There's not a care, nobody compares with you, baby. Summer breeze, birds playing in the trees. Looking back at all sweet memories. Summer, 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 summer breeze. The way you got me grooving, my feet can't stop. No street to hold me down.
You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing. You wake me up right on time. The summer day gave us life. Top down sunshine, it's a beautiful thing.
I don't know where you going, I wanna be with you. I don't know where we stopping, we gonna ride this fish through. And I can't stop it, your eyes like tropics. No rushing, just loving, sunshine, shorelines, this is our time. I just got something that is gonna help us to be more focused, I hope. Have a better lighting. So I'm gonna be unboxing this huge box.
Curses, I got curses in a generation pain. My karma's perfect, is certain. Blinded by the sunny rays. Oh, they were sunny days. Why not confess when it's ocean? It could've went a different way. Why not apply what you've grown with? Could've had a little faith.
Where the godliness you thought you believed in?
The word was golden, then it morphed to cold. My cortisone is forced to what my head is thinking. Steady sinking ship, I own it. All the shit I brought it, took the sail, it's reeking. Ooh, it's sinking. Trying to hide the smell and fake a smile like how police be giving fake emancipation. You could call me Lincoln. COVID operation, I was so persistent. Oscar nominated, is it worth it? Now the roll is over. Took her through a roller coaster and you didn't even hold her hand. You never rode it, poser. I wish I stabbed you in your chest instead of your back. I rest me ear unto the ground, hear a devilish laugh. I look up desperate to the sky, I see nothing but black. So now I take a look inside and confront what I have. A middle child, a middle man between moms and me dad. Tell her this, tell him that I'm rehearsing the act. I'm quick to change trajectory like I am with me hats. Just following the recipe, I thought I'd never.
I said it's something drown. I thought I'd never let you down. I said it's something drown.
stressing over outcome. Opposition outrun, control the godly timing. I'm avoiding getting outgunned, trying to not be down one.
I just arrived to the studio and I finished packing the parcels. I have 3 parcels that will be picked up today. Sorry, I'm quite tired. My body is just sore everywhere. I'm just gonna be today working on the glazes I prepared the other day. Actually, I just needed a tiny bit more of white glaze and I was mixing all the ingredients. I'm gonna be having this chill morning and then I'm gonna wait for the shipping company to come pick up the parcels. I hope you're doing great.
What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Sleeping on your bedroom floor, I'll let my feelings wash ashore. You told me I'm projecting and I don't move with much direction anymore. I don't know what I'm looking for. I can't believe I care. Soon I wanna pinky swear I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? So I get up and I get dressed, playing Pokemon on my old 3DS. There's a title card that says you gotta be the very best. Now I'm getting existential with my digital pets. I can't believe I care, but what a weird state of affairs. I'm leaving, I'll call you when I'm there. What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start? What happens if I lose my way with a compass and a map I made, looking for my shadow in the dark? What happens if I look for you with a compass and my tennis shoes and find you holding someone else's heart? Do I go back to the start?
So we're gonna be loading the glaze firing with the new pieces, the BOMO elves and also the acorns and the mushroom base also. I'm dressed like this because I have a dinner. Let's do it. Let's try to make it as fast as possible. So let's load the glaze firing. Don't let me down now. Don't let this drown now. Bags down, no need to cry now. I never wanna fall in love with you again. I just arrived. We're gonna unload the glaze firing with the elf BOMO Max and the mushroom base and the acorns and everything, so let's see. I just opened up because I couldn't wait, because I was a tiny bit afraid with the acorns because I needed them to hang, and sometimes throughout the firing the iron stick somehow is bending a tiny bit because of the weight of the piece, and some of them can get attached to the structure, but I think it didn't happen. So let's go. I'm quite excited to see how it was. Fingers crossed everything turned out to be okay, but yeah, let's go.
I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, is it okay? Whatever, you feel the same. I'm telling you now, it's whatever.